Practical work generates skill topic 2. My name is TARANI NAIDU B.RAMESH and my matric number is 01DEE24F1133. What is a diode and what are its functions? Diode is an electrical device which allows current to move through in one direction. Diode has various functions which includes converting the alternating current AC to direct current DC, which is the rectification process. The objective of practical work 2 is to construct and obtain output waveform of a rectifier circuit by using half-wave rectifier and full-wave bridge rectifier. Now let's see the working principles of half-wave rectifier and full-wave bridge rectifier. For half-wave rectifier, in a half-wave rectifier, we use a single diode connected in series with a load resistor. During the positive half cycle, the diode is forward biased, which allows the current to flow. However, during the negative half cycle, the diode is reverse biased, which blocks the current. As a result, the output waveform only contains the positive half cycles of the AC signal. Next, full-wave bridge rectifier. When terminal M of the secondary is positive and N is negative, the D1 and D2 becomes forward biased while D3 and D4 becomes reverse biased. Current flows along M, E, D1, A, RL, B, C, D2, F and N. This produces a half-wave waveform across the RL. When terminal N of the secondary is positive and M is negative, diode 3 and 4 becomes forward bias and diode 1 and 2 becomes reverse bias. Current flows through N, F, D4, A, RL, B, C, D3, E and M. This produces half-wave waveform across RL. Current keeps flowing through load resistance in same direction during both half cycles of AC input supply. It means the output voltage waveforms of both half cycles have the same shape. Next, let's see about clipper circuit. A clipper circuit functions to remove or clip the unwanted part of an input wave in a circuit. A basic clipper circuit contains a resistor and a diode. In a negative series clipper, the diode is forward biased during the positive alternation of input signal. This causes the entire negative half cycle of the AC waveform to be clipped or removed. Thus, only the positive half of the waveform is appear. In a positive series clipper, the diode is forward biased during the negative alternation of the input signal. This causes the entire positive half of AC waveform to be clipped or removed. Thus, only the negative half of the AC waveform appears. Experimental procedures. Half-wave rectifier. First of all, construct the circuit as shown in the figure above. Then connect the probes to the oscilloscope and calibrate the oscilloscope. Set the AC or DC or GND switch of oscilloscope to AC position. Set the frequency of the function generator to 500 Hz and connect to the oscilloscope. Obtain a sinus waveform of a 4 VPP. Now reset the AC or DC or GND switch of oscilloscope to DC position. Then, using the channel 1, measure the input voltage waveform at terminals A and B. This is the half-wave rectifier circuit waveform that we got, which is a positive half cycle. Full-wave bridge rectifier. start with constructing the circuit as in figure 2.5. Set the signal generator's frequency to 500 Hz. Then connect the signal generator's probes to the oscilloscope probes. Obtain a sinus waveform of 4 VPP on the oscilloscope screen. Connect 2 crocodile clips to the transformer. Then connect those 2 crocodile clips to the circuit that we have constructed on the breadboard. Then connect the oscilloscope probes to the circuit. Adjust the waveform according to your preference. This is a full wave bridge rectifier circuit's waveform that we have obtained. In conclusion, diodes allow current to flow in one direction, which enables us to convert AC to DC in rectifiers. Diodes also can clip or remove unwanted waveforms using clipper circuits. These circuits are essential in designing power supplies, signal conditioning systems, and voltage protection devices. In real-world applications, rectifiers are significant in power adapters and chargers designing. However, clippers are significant in surge protectors and voltage limiters designings. That's all from me. Thank you for watching my video.